Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a shocking update on the Idaho college killings case that has captured headlines for months. According to a new court filing, Bryan Kohberger, the doctoral candidate accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students, claims he wasn't at the scene of the homicides and was driving around alone that night. Let's dive into the details of this case and discuss what this new revelation means for the upcoming trial. For those who are just tuning in, Bryan Kohberger is facing charges for the murders of 4 University of Idaho students: Ethan Chapin, Madison Mogan, Zana Knodel, and Kaylee Goncalves. He could potentially face the death penalty if convicted. Kohberger's attorney, Ann Taylor, explained in a court document submitted this week that her client had a habit of going for drives alone, especially at night. According to Taylor, on the night of the murders, November 12, 2022, Kohberger was out driving around during the late hours. The prosecution, however, has expressed skepticism about the "I was out driving alone, but nobody saw me" defense. Idaho is one of the few states that require the defense to give notice if they plan to use an alibi defense. The court is likely to give the defense room to explore any potential alibi, but as mentioned, it could be a tough sell to a death-qualified jury without substantial evidence to support the claim. The prosecution has relied on cell phone tower records and surveillance footage to build their case against Kohberger. According to the police affidavit, his phone pinged near his residence in Pullman, Washington, before traveling south through Pullman, Washington, possibly towards Moscow, Idaho, where the murders occurred. The phone later stopped reporting to the network for about 2 hours, suggesting an attempt to conceal his location during the murders. Additionally, Kohberger's phone records indicated that he had been near the victim's house on numerous occasions before the murders, primarily during the late evening and early morning hours. These details certainly paint a complex picture of events leading up to the murders. Kohberger's claim that he was driving around alone that night is quite interesting, but it remains to be seen how his defense will substantiate this alibi. If there are witnesses or any additional evidence supporting his version of events, it could potentially sway the jury in his favor. On the other hand, the prosecution's case seems to be built on strong evidence, including phone records and surveillance footage. They will likely argue that the gaps in Kohberger's phone activity align with the time of the murders, suggesting he may have been involved. As the trial date approaches, both the defense and prosecution will continue to build their cases. We'll be keeping a close eye on this developing story and bring you updates as they come in. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more legal news and in-depth analysis. What are your thoughts on this case? Do you believe Kohberger's alibi could hold up in court? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe. This is Daily Crest, signing off.